Am I in the camera? Okay. What's your name?
My name is Anurag.
Anurag.
Yeah,
Okay, great. So, how long have you been studying here?
first day of my
Your
BTech first year. Yeah,
First day.
first
year.
day.
Wow. Where are you from? What city?
It's Patna, Siwan,
You are from Patna, Sivan.
Bihar.
Bihar.
Yeah,
So, are you not scared of the new environment?
Nothing, but I live in Kotas, Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
Study,
Okay.
so
So you
it's
can-
manageable.
Okay, great. So,
Yeah.
how you be coping with the food?
Uh, because I live in Kotas, these locations foods manageable because Kotas food
So, it's very, very good.
no good नहीं.
Speak in Hindi.
जैसे वहाँ कोटा का जो खाना था वहाँ पे उतना अच्छा नहीं था.
Okay.
तो यहाँ पे भी है कि हम आई लिव इन फ्लैट अपार्टमेंट.
Okay.
So maid come and make foods
Make
for
food you.
yeah.
Oh, okay. So here now, where will you be living in? Where will you be staying?
Apartment
Apartment still.
because of food. Mess or hotel in campus foods are not
Not good.
not good. Yeah. So that's why I live in apartment. Flat.
Apartment.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Uh-huh.
So, are your parents proud of you? Are your parents proud of you? Do you think your parents are proud of you?
Do you think parents are proud of you? Yes,
Why?
of course. Because I do.
Speak in Hindi. Don't worry.
हिंदी. मेरे पापा मेरे प्राउड इसलिए करते हैं कि जो मैं कर रहा हूँ बेस्ट फ्यूचर के लिए कर रहा हूँ. सो आई
You're doing well.
या
Great. So,
Okay.
I believe your grades are really good in school.
यस आई एम इन 10th grade. I am very well 9 CGPA
Okay.
and 10 12th I prepare IIT JEE NEET IIT JEE but I don't score well.
Okay.
So that's why I joined Galgotia's private college. Because IITs and IITs cut-offs high,
Okay.
it needs a qualifying rank marks.
Okay.
So I did not qualify IIT JEE. That's why I joined Galgotia's.
Okay. So, what are the qualified marks over there?
Galgotia's qualifying marks, I am BTech electrical engineering.
Electrical engineering.
Electrical, yeah.
Wow.
So electrical
Okay.
engineering does not require
A lot.
a lots of number. It's minimum range or it's a JEE mains percentile,
What's the percentage?
15 percentile.
50%.
Yes, JEE main rank based we enter Galgotia's. Yeah.
Wow. Then the other schools, what are they asking for? What is the percentage they're asking for?
For a CS branch BTech, we minimum 55 percentile, 60 percentile.
Okay.
Yeah, and counseling through AKTU counseling through we admission get it.
Wow. That's nice.
Yeah.
So, which degree do you think is the most useless in your opinion?
Which degree is most useless in your
Opinion.
most useless degree? Many people says that BTech
BTech.
because BTech have 4 year बाद does not have placement. So that's why people get BTech is the useless. But I think you prepare and well study, you have every year placed where you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So, people think. What do you think?
I think nowhere useless. Not
Nowhere.
any.
No degree is useless.
All are perfect in that place where it's
Then I know one day you said these people they are just. You've never said these people are wasting their time in this school. You've never said that.
Yeah.
You've never said that. You've never seen some people studying something and say that they are wasting their time. in this school.
Yeah.
Who are those?
I say BTech,
Maybe
but
you are in BTech.
yeah, because 4 years later I am not placed.
Okay.
So that's why it's useless.
Nice. Nice.
But I placed it's miracle.
But from what you say and your explanations, it seems as if your parents are quite rich.
Not,
Are you
but
sure? You stay in the apartment and everything. You have cook. You have everything. You don't stay
not
in hostel.
rich, but rich.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
What's the biggest lie you ever told your parents?
Biggest lie you told your parents about college?
Yeah.
Because everything is fine. Biggest lie.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's first day of my college, so I go through and that's
Okay.
yeah.
Great. So okay? Why? What is not really fine today? What are the difficulties you face today?
Yeah. Good question. Today.
You can hold the mic and talk about that.
Yes, thank
So
you.
that you feel comfortable. Yeah.
Yeah. Today I searched about where my blog, which classroom I do have a study. Yeah, where we have go to classroom. My class has ended 1:05 p.m. ठीक है? 1:05 p.m. But I still waiting. Where next class come 2:05 to 4:30
Okay.
because no classes.
Okay.
We have not taught about when class end, when coming. Some teachers said that 1 September class has been started, but today is first class, 25th August.
Okay.
So not tell about when classes comes, and this is the first day orientation classes, and main classes has been 1 September.
Okay.
That is the major problem.
Okay. So
Clarify that कि when classes has been started, when end, what's timing, 9 to 5. Yeah, that's the major problems.
Wow. So which means they don't have a very clear timetable.
That's why not mention about here.
Did you try to ask the administration about it?
I asked guards where my classroom, where is block C, where engineering, technology, mechanical, civil, data. That's
Did they help you? Did they help you with that?
yeah, I get.
They gave you good information.
Good.
Great.
He know that where the location, so that's why.
That's nice.
But some teacher and guards this written down notice board.
Okay.
There your location, where your class has been done, had like that.
Great.
Yeah.
Nice. So if you become the head of, let's say, head of department,
Yeah.
like a student, head of one department here,
Yeah.
what do you think you would do first to better the state of students that are coming in as you as a student today are coming in? What do you think you would
I
do first?
I understand that. That's why I first notice board on the front of the field.
Yeah.
Just students come and seen that where he has classes, where what's the timing, what schedule, when he come, when he go, all written down and placed here in the location of the.
Great.
Yeah.
That's nice. So you're
And
already
all things are good, but
nice. That's interesting. So do you really plan on doing that?
I think about it.